Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. So y'all already know I'm more so picking up the past person here, but I am going to give it to you two different ways. So before we talk about the past, I really feel like that's what's going to be pulled out a little bit more. For my Aquariuses that, you guys have been single for a while. You're like, when is it my time? I'm ready for love. I've been putting in the work. There's somebody coming in, okay? I feel like you guys have definitely been manifesting someone and your person is coming to you, okay? You have been calling in your soulmate. There is a new love offer coming in. There's somebody new that is coming in, but Spirit wants you to make the effort when they do come in, and they want you to open up to them. Like, I ain't gonna sit here and say, you know what I'm saying, week one, you're like, oh my God, you're it, I love you. Please don't do that. I know y'all not, but I just have to throw it out there. So, but Spirit is saying, make the effort to at least talk to this person. Open up, be honest, like, go with the flow. See where this can take you, because remember, I got the true love card. This is a romance of a lifetime. So there is somebody coming in for you guys. You guys are putting in the hard work. The universe has noticed, and your blessing is on the way, okay? Now, for my other Aquarius, so listen here. Told y'all I'm picking up more so of the past person. There's somebody coming in, if they have not come in already. If you guys have not been receiving communication here and there, they're making plans to come back, but I feel like they're trying to make the effort to speak their truth, because they have been manifesting you back into their life. Cross-watcher, if you were dealing with an Aquarius, this could apply for you as well. But I feel like this person, they weren't happy in a situation. They could have been dealing with someone else or in some type of situation that they just weren't happy in, and that's why they've been manifesting to be with you. They are coming back to give you a new love offer, but they do understand that when they come back, they are going to have to open up to you. They are going to have to tell you what it is that they want, how they feel, what happened, because this is the person that you're supposed to be with. They know it now. They know this. I feel like you guys have always known, and they were playing around, but now they know. So, which is why I told y'all, like, my voice was feeling kind of like shaky. Throat chakra was acting up all of a sudden, because I've been doing fine with the other three signs. So when I got to y'all, it was a problem. So this person, they know that they messed up big time. You are the person, you're the one for them, and they're hoping and praying that you're going to give them another shot. So let's see. All right, Spirit, what messages do you have for Aquarius? Oh, this is Mercury retrograde. Oh, why do I always record videos during retrograde? Like, I'm gonna stop doing that. I never felt, my friend pointed that out to me a long time ago. But whatever, I'm here. Spirit, what messages do you have? Oh, I'm crazy. Just bear with me. I love y'all. You love me. Okay, so anyway, bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands reversed. So, somebody doesn't have a happy home. Somebody feels like they may not be able to have a happy home with you because of everything that they put you through. Either which way, this person is feeling stuck. And they're frustrated right now. Tell me more. Yeah, this is why they're not putting in the work. So for some of you guys, I told y'all they're unhappy in a situation that they put themselves in. So there could be like a home situation, family situation, whatever it is that they're feeling stuck or bound to. This is why they're not coming towards you just yet. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody's dealing with an earth sign here. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Look at that. This person definitely wants to give you this stable, secure offer of a new beginning. Oh, y'all, they're coming. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I do feel like this person's afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them, but maybe this person is trying to get out of a commitment, get out of a marriage. There's something going on. Yeah, see? This person definitely was being sneaky. I'm seeing two sets. Lord. Alright, look. I'm picking up a lot, so y'all just follow with me. So look, this person, I feel like they want to give you an offer. And it's the offer that you've been waiting for, the offer that you deserve. At the same time, they're afraid that you don't want to be with them anymore. They're afraid that you don't see yourselves marrying them because they had other options in the past. This person was being very sneaky. I do feel like if this individual is in a situation with someone else, I feel like they are trying to get out of it, but their person is definitely holding on to them really, really tight. Yeah, see what I'm saying? For some of you guys, your person could be married, or they could just be in some type of like relationship or commitment. There's something going on. Could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here? Clarify justice. Was justice served? Is somebody going through something legal? Clarify justice, please. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, there's somebody interfering. The way that card was getting ready, hold on. Yeah, see? Okay. This person is coming out of being frustrated. I can't talk, y'all. I'm so sorry. This person's coming out of being frustrated within themselves. I feel like they're coming out of battling themselves. There is somebody around them that's really sneaky, but at the same time, they're coming to you to speak their truth because they do want to move things forward with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Excuse me. Tell me more. But they're afraid that you're not going to take them back because they didn't balance things out in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I'm telling y'all, this person does want to have a new start with you. Clarify the Empress. Clarify the Empress, please. Ooh, okay. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. They're back and forth with the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, because they had you waiting. Just like I was saying before, you were waiting. And they know it. And they're frustrated because they know that they had you waiting. And see, they don't want you to wait anymore. They want to come towards you. Look at that. They made a decision. What's their decision? That the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, Aquarius. Look at that. Ace of Pentacles. That's why you're going to get the offer that you deserve. This person isn't playing with you. They're coming towards you. But see, the problem is, they know that they left you out in the cold. Excuse me. They ghosted you. Look at that. 2-5. Y'all remember when I told y'all this person is like battling themselves? I feel like there's something with money going on. Remember I told you they've been giving to someone. They're going to have to give to someone. I don't know if somebody on their end stole from them financially or they're trying to take from them financially. It's something like that. Let me see. Tell me more. They're trying to, like, get it together. Yeah. See, somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this individual, they hurt y'all something serious. Tell me more. But there's something going on their end. Yeah, and see, they're not using their intuition because they're just thinking about the pain that they caused you. Look at that. Y'all, this is your person. Do y'all see the King and the Queen of Cups? Look at that. Hold on, y'all. I'm just picking up some stuff. Sorry for being quiet. Somebody could be dealing, excuse me, with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But if not, it's like, I'm telling y'all, this is your person. Both of y'all are marrying each other. You are. It's like both of y'all are sad. Even though I feel like both of you guys try to pretend like I'm good. I don't need him. I don't need her. I ain't thinking about him or her. I'm moving forward. I'm manifesting someone new. Whoop-de-whoop. All of that. Okay. But my cards don't lie. So you guys are upset. You guys are still sad. Deep, deep down. Okay. And you and your person. Because you both want to be together. But it's like there's always something taking place that is causing like this wedge between the two of you. And see, what I am liking about what I'm seeing right now, the King of Cups, the way the King just came out, it's like every reading that I've done for you guys in the past, your person has had a hard time speaking up, speaking their truth. And this person has always come out reverse, this King. So now, even though it lay horizontally flat, it's like they're wanting to speak up to you. Remember I told y'all my voice was a little shaky. They know that they have to speak their truth to you, but they're having a hard time doing it because they're not used to speaking up. They're used to you doing and saying everything. But they know this go around, if they want to have a new start, a new beginning with you, they got to speak up. They have to, because you're no longer putting yourself out there. See? And in the meantime, this is why they're keeping an eye on you. They are watching you. They're watching you. Because they want to know if you're still upset, if you're angry with them, if you're saying anything, you're doing anything, you moved on. Like, they're watching. And see, they're not content with how they left things with you. And they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. And this is why they're feeling stuck. This is exactly why they're feeling stuck right now. Because in the past, I feel like they were being harsh to you. But they do want to make a move. They do want to rush in to come towards you, Aquarius. But see, they're not being positive about it. See, Aquarius, look at that. I'm telling you, they're thinking about you. Aquarius, you could be dealing with another Aquarius. Tell me about... Yeah, okay. This person in the past definitely was being a player. Like, they don't have any hope that you're going to take them back. Tell me more. Yeah. Them basically being a player, always in and out of your life, out of your relationship. For some of you guys, even out of your marriage. This is what caused an imbalance in your love life with this person. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Gemini. They're back and forth about the Hangman. See, this is why they're having a hard time coming towards you. They're not confused. I'm like clear across the board so far. I'm definitely seeing every sign that I've done. Their person is not confused. In the past, they were. They wanted to play around, chase a whole bunch of men, chase a whole bunch of women, staying stuck in situations because they didn't know who to pick, who to choose. Now they're not confused. They know who they want to be with, and I'm seeing it for you guys too. The thing is, they're just having a hard time coming towards you, and this is why they're taking it day by day. Tell me more? Yeah, because they do want things to improve with you. Look at that, 2-9. See, this karmic cycle that you guys have been going through is done. It's over. It's wrapping up. See, somebody's removing themselves from toxic behaviors, toxic people, situations, all of that. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. But see, because of this person, like they took too long, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. You're not going to move forward. This is why they're afraid. And see, they're not confident in approaching you at this point, but at the same time, they know that you're owed an apology. And if they want to move forward with you, they're going to have to come towards you and apologize and speak their truth. But what I'm liking about this, I'm feeling like this energy of they're trying to heal. They've learned lessons here, and they're trying to basically move forward because they want to move forward with you. But it requires them removing themselves out of this third-party situation that they put themselves in. Yeah, but see, for some of you guys, you're dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. They don't want you to cut them off, but what I was picking up and why I kind of paused a little bit, it's like, whatever situation that they're in, they are going to leave it. Leave this person, individual, whatever's going on. They're going to walk away. The problem is, I feel like they haven't cut it off just yet. They know what they need to do. They haven't done it just yet. This is getting ready to happen. I feel like, one, because it's a lot of conflict that's going to take place if they walk away from someone, is the energy I'm picking up. There's going to be a lot of conflict. But at the same time, they already made their decision. I'm telling y'all, they're not confused. They're coming towards you. They're coming. Tell me more. Look at that. My eyes just went to the king and the queen. I'm telling you, this is y'all person. But see, this person knows, I told you, they made a decision. They're going to cut whatever this situation is. They're cutting it off. But they're afraid that you're done with them for good. Ooh, see, the 3 of Cups trying to come out still. Still trying to come out. But yeah, they're feeling like you're done. But see, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but this person's definitely going through their awakening. And I told you, they've been going through their awakening for a while. Because I've been saying this to y'all for a while. But y'all know it takes some time. Because this person, I feel like they've been resisting change. They know what they needed to do. They were really comfortable. And see, now look at that. They're picking up the pace. They're coming, guys, whoever this is for. But see, they're still dragging their feet, Aquarius. They're still dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But look, Ace of Cups. They're going to, I'm telling you, I keep seeing it. They're going to give you the offer that you deserve because they do want things to improve with you. They do not want you to walk away from them. They don't. Look at that. Is that another ace? Yep. Y'all, this looks so good. There's going to be communication coming in about wanting a new opportunity. But see, this person is just in their head because They didn't balance things out with you in the past. They didn't do what was right. And see, now they want to balance things out with you. They do. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. And they're no longer frustrated about it. Tell me more. But they're feeling like they're not going to have a happy